Welcome back to our channel, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe for the vibes. I know you're wondering what's in the file paper. Subscribe and I'm gonna tell you. Alright, look. I said my grace off camera, I'm just gonna dig in this. So look, I hope it's steaming so you guys can see the steam. What's in the file paper? Steamed fish in a file paper. I hope you guys could see this clearly with it being in the file. Babe made me steamed fish in a file paper. Alright, so we have okra, carrot, potato, scotch bonnet pepper, and a snapper. Alright, I'm gonna taste. I hope you guys could see this. It's really, really hot, really hot. Now you know fish have a lot of bone. This taste right here is the life of the party. I'm gonna eat a few and then we're gonna get in it. I have a really, really, really funny tell time. I call it tell time. If you have never had steamed fish in a fire paper, some people call it baked fish, try it. You know how fish barely hold the seasoning? In the file paper, it holds all the seasoning. You get everything. I don't know if none of you guys will be able to relate, but I'm hoping somebody can. This is good, guys. No potato. So, a couple of months ago, I went out with some acquaintances. Babe wasn't there. Babe was not there. So, you know, I think I just had a pepper. That hit a different way. Hey guys, did I tell you to subscribe and like? Okay. And if you can't relate, if you can relate to the tell time I'm about to tell you, comment down below. So we went out, we was chilling and stuff. And you know, everyone became hungry. They just want to eat. And in my head, I go, ooh, ooh. Babe, neither babe nor I, we don't normally eat out. But once that question comes in your head, if you have to second guess something, guys, do not do it. Don't do it. Once you second guess it, don't do it. We went to a all-you-can-eat buffet. So while I'm in there, I'm sitting there, everybody's like, you're not gonna eat nothing? I'm like, no, I'm good. But my belly's saying I've been out all day, I'm hungry, right? So I wanted to call Babe and be like, hey dumpling, sugar plum, whatever. Do you think it's a good idea to eat out right now, you know? But I didn't want to look like a punk. So I go, I could try a few things. I could just try a few things. My mind told me no. My belly told me yeah. While babe is in the back of my brain saying, babe, this is not gonna be good for you, you know this, man. I'm like, nope, screw it, I'm grown, I'm gonna just do it. I did it, I ate. I ate out, guys, from a place I did not know. And you see, the thing about it is, not because your stomach could manage a lot of things, doesn't mean everybody's stomach can. While the first bite was going down, I was slowly chewing. Start feeling weirdish. I'm like, it's not the first bite, let me take a few more. Maybe it will pan out. Guys, I ate a whole plate. On my way home, my belly started bubbling. It's cold sweat. It's a cold world. I couldn't wait to make it inside. You know what that is? Peer pressure. You know how our parents warn us about peer pressure when we was younger? But in our mind, at the time, that doesn't go for us, you know? I'm gonna say peer pressure caught me in my mid-30s. I lied, no. It doesn't matter. But it caught me. Now, look, comment below if peer pressure ever caught you. It could be any peer pressure. If you're at the bar and your girlfriend is like, hey, get another drink, and you know you're drunk. You already know you're drunk. Your girlfriend be like, hey, get another drink. Be like, no, I'm good. She'd be like, she'd be like, you a stay-at-home mom. You ain't going out for like a year now. Get another drink. You know you're drunk. Peer pressure. We'll be like, yeah, you're right. I should get another. These kids, they be having me strung out. No, I'm joking. So guys, look. So by the time I got home, I went to the bathroom. I did a couple of times for the day. I felt so ashamed to tell babe what I did. It took me a while. When I told her though that I ate out, she go, good for you. That one plate of food, guys, look at that fish. That one plate, it's kind of spicy a little bit. That one plate of food cost me, I think it was a week of cold sweat. Bathroom visitations. While I'm telling babe to fix it. So in that one story, I think there was peer pressure. Be careful where you eat. And listen to your intuition. If you have to question it, don't do it. Look at my face. I paid for it. This fish is really good, but they put a lot of spice in it. But then in Jamaica, you can have steamed fish without a lot of spice. There's a few things that you have to have spice with. So comment down below, let me know if peer pressure ever got to you, because it got me. I'm not gonna lie about it. I thought it wouldn't have never got me. So next time, I'm gonna save my belly until I reach home, or till maybe it's like a McDonald's or Burger King, you know, because those are the regular stuff. Besides that, I hope that you guys' New Year's is going amazing so far. Fish have a lot of bone. If you're not careful, you could swallow it. And I now have a runny nose because it's spicy. Yeah. Guys, don't allow peer pressure to get to you. It's not right what they do with this peer pressure thing. It's not fair to us who's trying not to be peer pressured. So from now on, I'm practicing to say no to outside food. You want outside food? No. Hey, let's eat outside. No. Unless, only time I probably would do it, if I'm probably doing a vlog or a mukbang for you guys. Because you guys are number one. This was so good. I don't know if you guys could see it fully, but I'm gonna hold it up to see if you can see what's inside. It's majority of bones that's in there now. This was a good snapper. So guys, comment down below and let me know if you ever got peer pressured or made some decision that your mind is telling you not to make. Don't make that decision yet. Comment down below and let me know. But I laugh at myself because in this life you have to be able to, you know, laugh. Sometimes you make some wrong turn, you have to just laugh about it. That was a wrong turn. Hurt my belly for a whole week. That was definitely a wrong turn. Thank you so much for having this steamed fish in a file paper with me. Thank you for always supporting us, always commenting. Please hit that notification bell. Like the video, guys. Please like the video. This is where I leave you. Until we meet again, until I see you again, have a good time, have a fun time, have a jolly time. Hey guys, put laughter in your life. It will light it up. Bye guys.